Hi you guys, welcome back to the video. About to buy the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what?
Period.
That's on period. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because there's good things happening over here. We're almost to 500 subscribers, and I announced in some of my videos I'll be doing my first giveaway once I hit 500. So let me help you by you helping me. Let's have a, you know, oh, they go to ponytail. Let's have a give and take, give and give relationship. How about that? How about that? But yeah, I'm currently at, I believe, 430 subscribers, and I want to give a shout out to a couple of people who have subscribed recently, and I will put their names on the screen. I cannot look at it right now because I'm using my phone to record. I'm still waiting on my my Sony ZV-1 to be fixed and sent back to me. So shout out to you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. So in this video, we'll be talking about Kanye's Yeezys, honey. I purchased a pair for myself, and we're gonna do a little chit chat. So the Yeezy that I bought is the Yeezy Boost 380 Onyx non-reflective boost. Is there boost on the end? Yeah, Yeezy Boost. Yeah, so it's the Yeezy Boost non-reflective Onyx in the 380. There's so many shoes. Like, he has so many shoes. There's so many numbers, and I almost wasn't a fan because I've never actually was interested in the shoes until I put my foot inside of it. So me and my boyfriend were at one of the stores in the mall, and he pointed them out, and I was like, let me try this on so I can see what this is about. Now this one doesn't feel like the other ones, but I tried it on, and y'all, so comfortable. But anyways, let me go back. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. A little bit ahead of myself. I'm gonna tell you a couple of things that you should know about the Yeezy 380s based off of my personal experience. So first and foremost, let me show you the shoes. This is how they look. Here are the Boost. Now, I know they're not the most feminine pair of sneakers, but it's okay. Sometimes you need to be a little bit chill. Sometimes, you know, you need to be a little bit laid back. You need to be a little bit more low key. Like, everybody don't need to see you walking through the door. When I walk through, drip. When I walk through. But yeah, these are the shoes. So here's up close. I'm gonna also insert some screenshots throughout the video. This is how the shoe looks. So where I purchased them was from GOAT. GOAT is, I want to say, a third party, a retailer store that just sells shoes. You guys, I think y'all should know about them. I think GOAT and StockX are the most popular ones that people use to shop and to know their shoes are actual, genuine, authentic sneakers. No shade to people who don't want to buy authentic sneakers, because I understand completely, girl. I understand completely. Sometimes you just want to get a pair of shoes and to look cute in it and not have to break the bank in the process. So I understand completely. But it feels good knowing that you're buying a black brand. Black brands. In the day, honey. It feels good. They released on November 27th of 2020. I purchased mine in April of 2021. And they look pretty good for them to be purchased about how many months ago? It's what, September right now? So April, May, June, July, August, September. About 5 months. So yeah, I think they look pretty good, and I wear them, I want to say 2 to 3 times a week. These are like my go-to lounge, lifestyle, work shoes. They have a little bit of blue in them, navy blue, gray, black. The sole is very different. Like, I don't know any shoes that have all these different dark colors to it. It's just something, it reminds me of the Galaxy. Like, it doesn't look like Galaxy shoes. Like, I just really like that. And it has like these holes on the side of them, and then these clear pieces that kind of like reflect in the light, even though they're not reflective. There's the Onyx and non-reflective and reflective. I have the non-reflective. You'll have to dig a little deeper past my video to figure out the differences. I looked them up once when I decided to purchase these, but I can't remember why I decided these over the other ones. Maybe because they were probably darker. I don't know. I wanted dark shoes because I just feel like it's just easier to not have to baby. Like, you don't have to worry about dark shoes getting dirty. I don't think I've ever washed these. I haven't washed these since I've had them. Don't need to. They look good. They look good, girl. They look good. Oh, the bottom is definitely super dirty though. Super dirty, the bottom. Okay, and the price point for these shoes were a total of $372.59 is what I purchased through the app. I also paid for expedited shipping, and I also purchased new. So I got this included, and the box was included with it. I no longer have the box because I threw it away. I don't have the box anymore, so I really didn't need to purchase it with the box. On GOAT, you have the option to purchase your sneakers without the box, without them being brand new. They can still be on the newer side, but not with the box included. But I want mine to be brand new. I don't want anybody else to be wearing my shoes. I want to be the first one because I understand that comfort when it comes to shoes comes to not being worn. We don't want any worn shoes. They have so many other colorway options. I'm gonna insert those also. I saw them in blue. Blue was the original ones that I saw that I actually tried on in store, and it felt like I was walking on a cloud. Like, they were just really comfortable. You know that material on the tracks and on like the football fields, like the grass and like the track and field, like it's like a bouncy resilience feeling. That's how I feel with this. And that goes, we're gonna go ahead and talk about why it feels like that. The reason why it feels like this is because there's boost technology in the bottom of the sole, in the midsole area, in the entire bottom of the shoe. And that's what really sold me. And that's why I tried them on. My boyfriend was like, yeah, they have boost technology. And I was like, boost? Who cares about no boost? Adidas boost, like what? I don't care about that. But when I tried them on, honey, it changed my whole opinion on the shoe, because I never felt this comfortable in a sneaker before. And I would get another pair in a different color, but I don't know what color I would want, to be honest. There's so many different colors, but I just feel like I'm good right now with these, but I would purchase another one in the future. Another thing that I love about these, another thing that I love about these shoes is that they don't have tie-up laces. Like, the laces are already together. I don't have to loosen anything. I don't have to do nothing. Just slip it on. I slip it on, and then we go out the door. Super easy. It's very convenient having laces like this, and they're super comfortable. Those are my two favorite things about this shoe. It's just a very minimalist shoe. Like, it just goes on like a sock. Look at this. Like, you just slide the foot in there. Like, see, look how much stretch that gives. It bends easily, but it's not too floppy. Like, it's sturdy. It's a sturdy shoe, very flexible, and just very comfortable, and it's like very mushy. Like, this feels good, and you have airflow. Like, for people who have sweaty feet, this is good for you. Like, my feet aren't unnaturally sweaty or like sweatier than the average woman, but it's nice having the little breeze with my socks on. Speaking of socks, so the one thing that I do not love about this shoe is the fact that the part right here, I don't know if it's the way my body is built or the way the shoe is built, but this right here will rub up against my ankle and cause friction and make me ashy and scratch me up. And the front is really the front part right here, and this part. Maybe because the material is different from the rest of this part of the shoe, but these parts will scratch me. And the way you saw that, it's an easy fix. I just put on socks that are a little bit longer than this shoe. So I will not wear those short, is it crew socks or those long socks? These are the socks that I prefer to wear with the shoe. So it's just a plain Adidas, and you see how it comes up past the base of the top of the ankle. It comes up past that. So this works out way, way better for me. This is how it'll look inside the shoe. Just like this. So you see how it comes up? I don't know if some of y'all might think this is ugly, but I prefer to wear my Yeezys like this, whether I'm wearing a t-shirt dress with it or some leggings with it or some jeans. I don't care, because it bothers you. It's like every step you take, this is rubbing up against my body, my leg. So this is the easy fix for me, and I think it still looks cute. It still looks cute, girl. I will give this shoe, this pair of Yeezys, a thumbs up. And to be honest, I don't see a lot of people wearing this one. I don't know, maybe because they don't think, maybe it's not the most attractive, but to me it's the most comfortable one, because I've tried on the 350s before and they're not as comfortable as this. They're not. They're lightweight, and these are pretty lightweight too. You would think they'd be heavy because of the sole of how large this is, and this height is what makes it more comfortable too. Like, I don't know, your body just feels so good. Like, you know how one part of the body affects the other? Like, if your ankle's messed up, of course your knee might get messed up, or your knee's gonna get overworked trying to support the weaker ankle. Like, the whole body connects. So I feel like this is really good for your body, having all this in the Boost technology. I really love it. I think it says Boost down there. I don't know if you can see it. It does say it, but because the bottom of the shoe is so dirty. But anyway, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have this, the 380, let me know. Like, do you love it? Because I love it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.